Hello, my name is Wes Cunningham, and I am the principal at the Frisco ISD Career and Technical Education Center. What you're about to view is a video produced by our students that provides you all with just a brief overview of some of the many courses and programs of study available here at the CTE Center. After the video, I'll provide you with some information on how to sign up for courses in Frisco ISD. Thank you and enjoy the show.
The Frisco ISD Career and Technical Education, or CTE Center, is well over 125,000 square feet of space where students explore their career dreams by applying their education in a real-world environment. Let's take a look inside the facility that offers over 30 pathways of learning for students to choose from. Starting with the first floor, Frisco ISD CTE Center gives marketing students a chance to apply what they learn in the classroom by running the school store. They're also in charge of monthly product displays showcasing their skills. Students in practicum and educational practice assist educators on elementary campuses throughout the district, pursuing their goal of one day becoming a teacher themselves. Audio and video production students produce the national award-winning program Frisco ISD TV, which is the flagship program for the Frisco ISD cable channel. Frisco ISD TV covers the entire district from campuses and classes at every level, as well as district-related events. The CTE Center has a tasty culinary arts program serving customers in the Studio 08 restaurant and the deli, both open to the public. Restaurant and hotel management courses are available as well. There's so much more to the first floor, with courses in law, public safety, corrections and security, with a fully operational courtroom and forensic science classes. Students can also obtain emergency dispatch training. There's graphic design and illustration, where students produce a variety of print products from brochures to posters and product packaging. Students are also pushing buttons in video game design and mobile application classes. There are financial classes like Money Matters and a course in website development, Vet Tech where career and animal science are explored, agriculture and landscape design with plant products in the campus's massive greenhouse, agricultural mechanics where welding, equipment building, and restoration are often seen. Cisco networking and pre-engineering classes are available as well. Project Lead the Way engineering courses range from intro and principles of engineering design to aerospace, civil engineering, and architecture. Now, we've mentioned a lot about Frisco ISD's CTE Center, but that's just half of it. There's also the second floor with even more hands-on activities. Students create and animate their characters in animation classes. Health Science offers courses where students are often off-site working local healthcare-related facilities, but also other classes such as pharmacology, pathophysiology, and medical microbiology, where students grow and study organisms. Architecture design is on the second floor as well, where students design house-building plans from every phase. In addition to providing a hands-on approach to learning, most classes at the CTE Center offer professional certification or license and articulated college credit, giving students an extra edge in their chosen field. Students can take courses in multiple pathways and even fit them into a schedule of activities such as band, sports, and fine arts. The courses are also a way for students to determine if it is truly an area they'd like to pursue. The path chosen is clearly up to the student.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you found something, a course or a program of study that you're interested in and that you'd like to sign up for next year. If you have any questions about how to sign up for courses, please ask your counselor, a CTE Center staff member, or our counselor, Mrs. Beth Jennings.
Career and technical education consists of 16 different clusters. Here is the Texas Education Agency website that deals with career and technical education, also known as CTE. We will also be discussing issues about the Perkins Grant and CTSOs, which are career and technical school organizations. Before we get started with this course, there will be quizzes along the way and also PowerPoint slides and other prevalent criteria. For beginners, let's take a very short quiz on what we have covered so far.